How to cash out on prize picks. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can cash out on prize picks. Unfortunately, it's unavailable in my region. I'm unable to log in here currently, but I'll just be showing you through this reference from the official prize picks website. Now as you can see, prize picks withdrawals, how to withdraw account. Now if I'll go and I'll head straight into the process. Now as you can read here, after you meet your playthrough requirement, you can request a minimum of withdrawal of $10. To withdraw, make sure you are signed into your account, then navigate to settings and view all options. First you want to head into settings, and under settings you want to head into view all options. Once you are there, you want to simply click the option that says request withdrawal, as you can see here, and enter the amount you want to take out and the means of receiving it, basically the account that you want to receive it on. So once you do so, you'll be able to withdraw it. You can withdraw using two steps, that is instant bank transfer or card withdrawal. So this way you can cash out on prize picks. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.